Hello my friends, welcome at another episode about Titanic launch chair. Like you see, I'm always trying to be I always try to be safe at when I starting work with planer, jointer or table saw. So glasses and headphones for sure you will see always on my head. And on the table is quite nice piece of sapelli. It's very nice species of wood. 100% of useful material. It's amazing. And of course I'm starting on wider part of wood and then wider side, and then we can plane this way. And like you see, I'm planing both sides because after this we will start to cut this material from both sides. And my spraying glue at spray at hand, polyurethane. I'm not very I don't like this type of application. Like you see, the spray is spraying everywhere, and this glue is so strong, so it's catching everything with hands, of course. Yes, I know I should use gloves for this purpose, but you know, it's wasting of time. Yeah, I'm joking, of course. And then I can start preparing this template on sew machine. It's quite easy. Of course, I'm trying to keep very close to red lines. After this, I thought that I should prepare these templates on CNC, even on laser machine. It should be much accurate and it should be quite fast. But maybe next time I do this this way. So, like you see, I'm using a belt sander to clean up from all sides, and then we can jump on table saw to cut this prepared material. And like you see, I'm using a marker or pencil, and I'm putting one line on each side, which is prepared for next machine. Yeah, so I'm using now thicknesser, and these pieces I'm sure that are parallel and ready to go. And template on my hands, and of course pencil. And I'm thinking that I can even put 3 pieces on one slab. And of course bend saw again. I must say that bend saw is so much important piece of tool, piece of machine at my workshop. Is one of the most universal machine for sure. And like you see, I'm cutting through through 2 pieces at the same time. And if I put some sticky tape between them, I can cut even by 3, 4, 5 or 10 pieces together, because this machine is working so fast and so accurate that, and for sure you can speed up this process when you cut by couple pieces together on the one time, on the same time, and then belt sander again, and like you see, a lot of dust. Yes, for sure it's a big coin of this process, that you cannot collect all dust, especially when you working on opposite direction of the dust collector, like now, like so. And of course I must be careful to do not remove too much material. I have the pencil line on the both sides, so I can see it, but sapelli is very soft, and you can easily remove too much material. Then, this part is important too, because this piece of wood is the top of the back. Yes, it's the top of the back chair, so it's bended on two axes, and you must mark it quite accurate, these holes, because if you do it wrong, the chair will be not comfortable. Yeah. So after couple weeks of work, when you sit on this chair, it can be sorry, it's very difficult word for me. So you see the marked lines, and I'm using this kind of machine with square drills, but just remember that this piece of chair is bended on two axes, yeah, so it's wobbling. You see these small pieces on the table, so it's avoid of wobbling, and I'm using I don't know how to call it. Oh my god, never mind, you know how this tool is called. So I must spend here much more time than usual, because I must be really accurate to hold this piece of wood in right position, and then I know that the holes will be fit. It must be mirror. This piece must be like a mirror for the lower part, lower piece. Sorry. You see, the lower stretcher, the smaller one, it must be fit with this element on the top of chair. And now, of course, I'm using my workbench, and I love this docks on the workbench. You can keep 90-degree angle to put all this piece together, and of course check if it's working. It will be it will fit or maybe not. And tape measure on my hand. Yes, I'm checking if all is good or maybe not. Of course, I'm trying to be never mind. Sorry. So now it's time to fit all this piece together, to mount this piece together, but first I need to chisel out. Yes, it's a chisel out this place. It's a place for mount top of back of this chair with side. Yeah, this piece is a side of chair, and you see the marked pencil line, so it's some kind of weird of shape. It's not straight, it's not, yeah, it's double curved. So chisel and another chisel, and then maybe some rasp. I don't know. You can use every type of tool to remove this to remove this material. But then, yes, then I need to remove. I need to make it. How to say it? How to explain it? You will see. I marked another line on the side, and then this piece must be a little skew. So, thanks God that I have to prepare only 2 chairs, because when I need to make it 4 or maybe 10, oh, it's going to be really crazy for me. Then scroll saw, that's right, and another lines on the ends, because this pieces was a bit too long. Yes, I've prepared them a bit longer, about 1 centimeter maximum. Yes, and the last one, and we can jump again to the workbench. And now is the time. Is the time to figure out that not all holes or not all piece really fits together. So, like you see on the table, I have some different types of chisels, and of course I'm using sandpaper to remove some material, and then voila, it's working. Looks cool for me. Just keep in mind that the top piece of this chair is sitting on the 2 side elements, and I will leave it like so, but after first trial we can remove some extra material to change a bit angle. But I think it's really cool. Should be really comfortable chair. So thank you for your attention. Please like, subscribe, some comments if you like, of course. And see you next time. Bye bye.